Hello, good
Hey
morning,
guys,
everybody.
welcome back.
Yeah, so today we're going to explore
Thomson Nature Park.
Thomson Nature Park.
So
Mm-hmm.
there was an abandoned village
Yeah.
since 1980s.
Yeah, you can see the ruins, right, Ma?
Yep, and the
Yeah,
village itself
yeah, the
also.
village, wherever we can find. I will also take some photos of insects, the flora and fauna can be found here.
And maybe the building.
Yeah, and Uma will take pictures of the building. So stay tuned.
Okay.
See you guys.
You wanna be my love, baby, gotta take it slow. You wanna be my love. You wanna be my love, baby, gotta take it slow. You wanna be my love.
Okay, so we're going back. Take a break, take our lunch maybe. So thanks for watching, guys.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah, thanks everyone for watching.
Okay.